How to disable vibration feedback on Buddy AI. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If the vibration or the haptic feedback in Buddy AI feels distracting to you, you can turn it off anytime in just a few simple steps. First things first, launch open the Buddy AI app on your device, and once you're inside this homepage, go to the top left corner and tap on the gear button. Once you're done, you'll need to go ahead and type down your year of birth, and on the next page you'll see the General tab. From the General tab, click on the vibration feedback option at the very bottom, switch it off like that, and once you see this gray color, it means that the vibration feedback is turned off. Right after you do that, you'll be able to turn off the vibration that you may receive on your device whenever you interact with the app. So that's it. That is how you can do so. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.